What if we told you that in 2025, a bold new law could change the lives of over 11 million undocumented immigrants and reshape America's immigration system forever? It's called the Dignity Act of 2025, and it's one of the most ambitious bipartisan reform bills ever introduced. But what exactly is it? How does it affect immigrants, border security, and you? Let's break it all down clearly, simply, and without the political spin. What is the Dignity Act? The Dignity Act of 2025 is a new immigration reform bill introduced in Congress in July 2025. Sponsored by Republican Maria Elvira Salazar and Democrat Veronica Escobar. Yes, it's truly bipartisan. The goal? To fix America's broken immigration system with a balanced approach. Legal pathways for undocumented immigrants, tougher border security, faster asylum processing, more work visas, and stronger employer accountability. The Dignity Program, temporary legal status. Here's how it works. If you've lived in the U.S. for at least 5 years with no criminal record, you can apply. You pay a total of $7,000 over 7 years. You get temporary legal status, work permits, and protection from deportation. But you don't get access to federal welfare or public benefits. This is about earning dignity, legally and responsibly. The Redemption Program, Path to Green Card. After 7 years in the Dignity Program, you can choose to apply for permanent residency through the Redemption Program. What's required? English proficiency, civics knowledge, a $5,000 fee, or community service. Once complete, you're on a path to the American dream with a green card in hand. Border security and asylum reforms. This bill isn't just about legalizing immigrants, it's also about tightening the border. $25 billion in border infrastructure, drones, biometric tech, better fencing. New hires for border agents, custom officers, and asylum officers. Asylum cases decided in 60 days or less. No more abuse of the system. Faster, fairer results. This bill says yes to opportunity, no to chaos. Work visas, Dreamers, and E-Verify. Expands work visa programs for farm workers and STEM workers. Speeds up family reunification and clears green card backlogs. Offers Dreamers a formal legal pathway. Makes E-Verify mandatory for all employers. No more illegal hiring loopholes. If you want to work in America, there's now a way, but it has to be the right way. Who supports it? Who opposes it? Supporters say it's the first real compromise in decades. Supporters include FWD.US, the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, and the Immigration Forum. Critics argue it's too strict on the undocumented, or it's not strict enough on the border. Some want more humanitarian reforms, others want harsher enforcement. This bill is walking the tightrope, and that's what makes it historic. Why this matters. Impact on society. This bill could legalize over 10 million undocumented immigrants. It could stabilize communities, grow the economy, and reduce illegal crossings. It's not perfect, but it's action in a system that's been gridlocked for 40 years. And for millions, this isn't politics, it's survival. The Dignity Act of 2025 could be the most important immigration law of our generation, but it needs your voice, your attention, your vote. If you support smart, balanced immigration reform, hit like. Share this with someone who needs to understand what's really going on. Subscribe for more clear, honest breakdowns every week. America is a land of laws, but also a land of second chances. The Dignity Act tries to protect both. The question is, will Congress?